Then another remuneration scheme we have is the incentive scheme. So incentive schemes, these are organized to motivate workers, to give them the morale to work. So they include the premium bonus schemes. It is a scheme that is applied on the time rate and the piece rate, whereby workers are given bonus payments on time savings. So in case work is supposed to be done in 1 hour and then someone does it in 30 minutes, they are paid for the 30 minutes they have saved. Yeah, so it is done to motivate workers and it applies to both piece rate and then the time rate schemes. So there are three methods or means under the incentive scheme. The first one we have is the Halsey bonus. And how do we calculate for this? We get half of the time that someone has saved, then times the time rate, what is paid per hour. Like if someone has saved maybe 2 hours, so a half of the 2 hours, which is 1 hour, and times the time rate. In case they are paying 10k per hour, so a half of 2 hours times 10k, which is 10k actually. Then the houseware bonus, this one gets a third of the time that it has been saved, then times the time rate. That is the houseware bonus. Then the last method we have is the row 1 bonus, and this is calculated by getting the time that has been taken, you divide by the time that was allowed, then times the time saved, then times the time rate. So that's how we get a row 1 bonus, and we are going to look at an example that uses all the methods, using all the methods, so we can be able to get it clear. We have other incentive schemes and they include the following. The first one is the profit sharing schemes. So here the organization sets a target profit and any profits above the target is shared with the employees. If they say that our target this year is 1 billion, so if they make anything above 1 billion, that extra profit is shared with the employees. Then another incentive we have is the sharing budget savings. Employees share balances from the budget having achieved satisfactory work. If they set a budget of some amount and then they be able to do the work below the targeted budget, so they share that money, the balance. So sharing budget savings. Then the pension schemes to reduce labor turnover. This is a certain amount of money that is usually given to permanent workers. So it is for reducing labor turnover. Then we have the co-ownership schemes. These are shares that are given to employees to have a feeling of ownership. Then we have the group incentives. The main purpose of a group incentive is to induce workers to participate effectively to increase production of any organization through working in a team. So they give those incentives to a team.